the boom and crash index seemed to be moving nicely well lately. So I took a sell trade on boom 500 index and I shared this sell signal to my VIP members and on my public Telegram channel. You can see how well this index is moving. Right, you can see how well the sales has been moving on from our entry point. Right, so how do I know this index is going to sell from this zone? How I was able to predict the sales from this point. So here in today's video, I'll be sharing to you guys my market view on this index, where I sold this index, and how I was able to predict the sales, how I knew this index is going to sell from this zone. So as you guys know that whenever I want to analyze the market, whenever I want to look at future opportunities, I start from a higher time frame, and this high time frame can be the daily time frame, it can be the weekly time frame, it can be the monthly time frame. So here I would want us to analyze starting from the weekly time frame. Right, let's wait for the charts to load up. Let's wait a little bit. So basically on the weekly time frame, we actually had a level here, right? If the chart loads up completely, you can see it. We had a level at this zone which I spotted. We had a level at this point basically, and here we got we got the market create a double top formation at this point. You can see it clearly. I think on the daily time frame, we got a double top formation here. Yeah, exactly. On the daily time frame, we got this double top formation which formed. Let's mark it out. Let's put it here. First highs at that point, and the second highs basically. Sorry, second highs at this zone. Yeah, second highs at that point. Yeah, the second high at this first high here, the second high. So this is a double top formation which produced these cells, and double tops are bearish reversal pattern formation. So we got the neckline here basically, got the neckline of this double top formation which produced these cells we got here. All right, so on this double top formation which was formed on the, let's check the dates, on the 16th of May, that's the first high formation on the 16th of May 2021. Then we got the second highs here which formed on the 3rd of June 2021. So in space of 3 months, we got this double top formation here formed on the time frame. So we got price break below the neckline, give break and retest the neckline for the sales. So you can say that this double top is what produced these sales we got here. So ever since, the market has been trading below this double top formation, which was a level of resistance. You can see price traded below this level for like 3 years before it came back to this level at this zone, before price came back to this point on the daily time frame. Right, this is our current level. This is the current approach of our zone, basically the current approach of our zone. So we got price come test this zone the second time. Yeah, it's the third time, would say, sorry, the third time which produced the sell. So the second test here, I was expecting price to sell from this zone, but I got less confirmations on this current candle here. This previous candle, I got less sell confirmations. I had to wait for proper confirmations on the lower time frame. That's the 15-minute time frame for my entries. So I marked out this zone, this structure on the daily time frame. This is my sell point, and went to a lower time frame. I went to the 4-hour time frame next, and got a couple of rejections here. So it was at this point I sold this index because I saw a bearish structure. And what is this bearish structure basically? Which bearish structure did I see that made me sell this index? Coming to the 15-minute time frame, I got price. I was able to spot this lower highs formation here, this lower highs formation at that point, which is a bearish structure. We got the first highs here, first high formation at this point. The second high is a lower high, third high is a lower high, fourth high is a lower high. So we got about 3 lower highs formation, which is a bearish structure. So I was like, the sales is definitely going to come up, right, on seeing this formation. So I sold on the break of this neckline, the break and close below the neckline. I took my sell trade on boom 500 index, and you can see how well this index is moving. So at this point, I shared the sell signal on my public Telegram channel and my VIP members, and we've made massive profits from these sales. The minimum lot size gave about $6 profits. That's 0.2 lot size. So more sales expected. Our first TP has been smashed, which was at the zone. I'm expecting price to get to our second TP level. Reasons why I set my first TP level at that point, because we got this market structure here. We got this formation, this build up here before this bullish move. So we're still likely to get price give a bullish move from this point. So that's why I set my first TP level here, right? And I'm safe in this trade because I moved my stop loss below my entry. More sales is expected on this index basically, and if price can give a break below this level, this zone here will be getting price sell further to these points, then possibly price breaking this zone, this line here, this point, price breaking this level for more sales. This index is generally in an uptrend, let's not forget. So we have to be careful with our sales. We have to know when and where to exit our sales, right? Because anything could happen. The market is strongly bullish. It's still in an uptrend on the 1 hour time frame, and on the 4 hour time frame the market is clearly in an uptrend as well. You can see it here, higher lows formation. Let's spot the market structure basically. This is how to identify a trading market. So we got price from the first low there, it's gone low at this point, a higher low, dead low here, a higher low at this zone basically, and our highs, the first high here, right, second high at this point, a higher high, and the third high at this zone, a higher high. So these higher lows and higher high formation gives the market an upward direction, is what gives the market this upward direction. So past days we've got massive bullish moves, so I think that it's right time this index gives a retracement back to these highs, back to our previous highs, which is at this point. You could see price give a retracement back to this zone in the coming days. Basically this week could be a bearish week on 500 index. Let's just watch out for what the market does. All right, you can as well take advantage of this wonderful trade opportunity. Let's mark this level out. If you can see price break below this level, because we could get possible reaction on this zone, possible buy reaction. But if price could give a break below this level as a support level, broke with resistance, because it was previously resistance level, you can see market reaction here. So if price can give a break below this level, break below it, a retest on it, then we could possibly get price sell to the downside. We could see more sales on this index, at least for price to come test this next level here on the 1 hour time frame. Could see price sell for that to come test this zone, fake out some sellers here, fake out some sellers at this point on the break of our trend support, then give more buy continuation, more bullish continuation on this index. And looking at the current structure basically on this 15-minute time frame, if you can actually get price break below this level, this structure here, because this was a high, this was a previous high, we can as well take advantage of this wonderful trade opportunity, because we could get more sales if price can give a clear break below that level there, below this current level. Then I'll possibly be looking to taking more sell trade, because we could see price give a move of this kind, a break, a test of it, then we get more sell continuation. But I'm still expecting my second TP to get smashed. I'm strongly waiting on my second TP to get smashed on this index, right? And we also have an important information here which you have to pay attention to. Let's not forget this index is very bullish. It's still bullish, it's still in an uptrend, so we have to be careful with our sells, right? So that's it basically. I've closed out on some buy positions. You can see here my stop loss is below my entry. My stop loss is below my entry, so I'm safe in this trade. I could possibly move it more, and I'm likely to close out on more positions by the end of this video to stay safe in the trade, then hold a few positions to run up, like swing the remaining positions on 500 index. All right, so that's my view and market analysis on this index price action basically. So for more trade reviews and market analysis, smash the like button and drop a good comment on this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new to the channel, and to my returning viewers, I appreciate the support. Please engage in my videos. It actually means a lot, guys. Let's do more and definitely.